the viewers will increasing rapidly. This is Komron Tursunov, the youth sensation of Mohun Bagan football team this year, and we are very glad to get Komron Tursunov with Delhi Mariners. Komron's flight is tomorrow. Tomorrow, which time, Komron? 2 p.m. Yeah. The flight is tomorrow, and Komron is now with us in IB's hotel, Aero City. We are just maintaining the social distancing. That's why my friend Parikshit is here, and this side behind camera Arijit, and we are at IB's hotel, Aero City, New Delhi. And Komron, lots of love from Mohun Bagan fans across all over India as well as Asia as well as entire world. Because Mohun Bagan fans is everywhere.
Yes, I know. Mohun Bagan team is very, very, very good. But in India, I know Mohun Bagan fans are very good. Very good. I want to happy always.
And Komron, as a young player, you have joined Mohun Bagan, very young player. And what's your experience about Mohun Bagan fans?
Experience. When I little boy, yes, I play football. I want to in Mohun Bagan young player and keep going. Yes, practice and play. But you become very good professional football player.
And what about your relations with other players? Like there are several young players, and there are several international players like Papa Babakar Diwara, Joseba Beitia, Fran Morante, Fran Gonzalez, along with Daniel Cyrus. What were your chemistry with all the players, Indian players as well as international players?
Yes, all in Mohun Bagan, all team very good play. I know play, yes, I sit in association, we are in my change, have very good play. Romario and Brito, all play very good. Baba Diawara is best striker. You see, 11 games, 10 goals, very good.
And Tursunov, what about your experience about the coaching staff, especially Kibu Bhikuna?
Yes.
You have played under several coaches in your career, and you have scored for Tajikistan against India in India also, and we have seen that goal. That's a very fantastic goal, and you have got the famous goal of 23 passes against Churchill brothers. And how would you rate Kibu Bhikuna on your footballing career? And what is the difference between Kibu Bhikuna and other coaches you have played?
Yes, understand. Thank you very much for the question. I work to many coach. Yes, I work to many coach, but Kim Vikuna is a very good professional coach. He is a very good person and excellent coach.
And Kibu Bhikuna, what about the fans? Who there are also several comments are coming. Please come back to Kolkata if possible. We will miss you, champ. This is the Sayan Mukherjee. They giving the comment on Facebook Live, and Shubhradeep says lots of love, stay safe and healthy. Lots of love for you, Aritro Singho Roy. Several people giving you lots of love and lots of care, that they are demanding that Komron please come back. Komron please, if possible, come again in Mohun Bagan. We will share you love and love and love.
Big thank you very much. I want to very happy in because Mohun Bagan fans like me. I like to. I want to always fans happy. Yes. Inshallah, meet again.
Any offer from other clubs at present would you want to discuss?
Another club where I play next season, but have too much time. But my agent working. I want to play ISL.
And Komron, if you go through several YouTube also, every time when Mohun Bagan becomes India champion,
Yes.
the gala celebration happened in the streets of Kolkata, from airport to Mohun Bagan Club, gala celebration. That time, due to COVID-19, you have missed that opportunity. But the officials have assured after lockdown, they would arrange one gala celebration. Would you like to join on that celebration?
Where I know come in India, first I ask many play, Mohun Bagan which team, which country, but all people say me Mohun Bagan is very old teams, very good teams, and in India first number in fans very good, but I think I come. Where I come in Kolkata, you remember I say in airport, I want to become to champion in India, because where I am going, I want to help
I can't hear you saying.
help this team because football is my work. I want to win. I know like loss. I want to where I play. I want to help this team becoming champions or giving cup. This
And Komron, there's a lots of brother. You may play anywhere in the world, but I will always be in the heart of Mohun Baganis. You will be always in the heart of Mohun. Pritam Ghosh says. And we have brought some little things from our heart to Ms. Komran Tursunov. Parikshit would hand over. Parikshit.
It's for you.
That's our deliberative coffee mug to Komran Tursunov. Another thing is that we are presenting him the trimmer. That's necessary in that.
I say something. See.
And another thing.
I come in Delhi. In Delhi, have Mohun Bagan fans. See, I want. I am very happy because see where I am going have Mohun Bagan fans. I like this team and supporter and management. Two management is best. Imran and Bapada. Every day he helps me. I am very happy. I want to him always happy. Always happy too. Bapada Imranda, thank you very much.
This is for you, and you deserve this. You are the real champion.
You are the real. That's the thing presented to Komran Tursunov. And for lots of love from Mohun Bagan fans across all over the world. And Komran, your message for Mohun Bagan fans.
Joy Mohun Bagan.
Joy Mohun.
Joy Mohun Bagan.
Komran is saying Joy Mohun Bagan. And Komran, your message for every fans. They are missing you. They are asking that please come back if possible. They love you.
Yes, I love you in sport. Always I want to happy. Stay safe, take care. Because now situation no good.
What about your current situation in your country?
In my country have now little coming corona.
No lockdown over there.
No lockdown. Fly off. School close. Airport close. Now come Tajikistan little corona.
Any effect of corona?
Yes, six people have in Tajikistan corona.
They are also taking precautions, right?
Now come Tajikistan
okay.
corona.
Okay, thank you. Thank you to Komran Tursunov for giving us the valuable time. We'll do some photographs and we'll post it on your on our Facebook and Twitter page. And wish that's a love from Komran Tursunov to all Mohun Bagan fans. The number 7 of Mohun Bagan, KT7.
Joy Mohun Bagan.
Komran is saying Joy Mohun Bagan. Okay, thank you for watching Komran, and thanks to all Mohun Bagan fans. Joy Mohun Bagan.
Joy Mohun Bagan. Stay safe. Take care. and goodbye. Inshallah, I meet again.
Common people are crying here on comments, seeing you. They're just giving the tears. Please come back. Please come back.
Inshallah, I come.
Okay. Thank you, Comoron.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy Mombasa.